Hello and welcome. We are so excited and so thankful that we are at the point that we can start officially doing some announcements for Revenue Cycle Academy. So, Revenue Cycle Academy is where we have built an amazing community. We have module training on revenue cycle management, and it's not just high level module training, it is training that gets to the root level of revenue cycle management. Whether you are an experienced revenue cycle team member, someone that's just getting into revenue cycle management, you want to learn billing, coding, AR management, you want to work at a medical facility, you want to get into this business, you're working for an offshore company and you want to learn more about US healthcare systems, or if you are a provider's office and you may be outsourcing your AR, or you may have a team that just isn't really as experienced as they could be. Because, I mean, let's just face it, guys, there's not a lot of experienced revenue cycle management team members out there. Our courses are built to help with that. We have a great group of people that have all contributed and are all here to help support. It is called the Revenue Cycle Academy Community, and they will all be participating and prepared to help not only support and train, but to be the cheerleaders and to be the incubators, so to speak, of the team members that need help. So, as part of being in the RCM Academy and subscribing to the RCM Academy, you will be able to participate in and you will get into this community. You will have access to the community where you can communicate with others that are in the field. So you will learn from experienced people, people that are in your same shoes. You can bounce ideas off of each other. You can communicate back and forth. You can have meaningful conversations on how to problem solve. So we are extremely excited about this program and bringing this to you. And we look forward to having all of you as subscribers. So click the link below and subscribe now. We've kept it very affordable, very economical for you. So we look forward to seeing you on the inside. Thanks, my friends.